It was a chilly Halloween night, and a cute cat named Luna wandered through the misty forest. Suddenly she heard the fluttering of wings and saw a shadow overhead. Luna's fur stood on end as the bat swooped down, its glowing eyes and sharp wings terrifying her. She darted behind a pumpkin, trembling in fear. The Halloween bat named Shadow landed softly, noticing Luna trembling behind the pumpkin. "Don't be scared," Shadow said gently, "I won't hurt you." Luna peeked out, still frightened, unsure if she should trust the bat's words. I've never met a bat before," Luna whispered. Shadow flapped his wings lightly, staying calm so as not to scare Luna again. "I'm here for Halloween fun, just like you," he smiled warmly. Luna hesitated but saw that Shadow wasn't like the scary story she had heard. "Are you sure you're not here to spook me?" she asked shyly. Shadow laughed, his laugh sounding like soft autumn breezes through the trees. "I promise I'm only here for treats, not tricks." Luna giggled, her fear slowly melting away. "Well, I do like treats," she said excitedly. "Then let's go together," Shadow suggested. They wandered through the glowing Halloween night, gathering candies and enjoying the spooky decorations. Luna no longer felt afraid with her new friend by her side. As they reached the end of the trail, Luna looked up at the full moon. "I'm glad we met, Shadow," she said with a warm smile. Shadow smiled back, his wings fluttering in the cool night air. "Friends make Halloween even more magical," he replied. From that night on, Luna and Shadow became the best of friends, always celebrating Halloween together. And Luna never feared bats again.